Hello and welcome. In this video, we're looking at circumference of a circle. Circumference is the distance round the circle. Okay, let's go. So around this circle is the circumference. The red line is the diameter. The green line from the center of the circle halfway through is the radius. If you have the diameter, the formula is circumference equals pi times the diameter. Okay, a good way of remembering this is cherry pie is delicious. So circumference is pi d. Okay, and if you have the radius, we know that 2 lots of radius will give the diameter. So circumference equals 2 pi r. Let's go. Okay, example 1. We are given, do you want to have a go? What line is this? The diameter. Well done. Okay, so we're going to use the formula circumference cherry pie is delicious. Cherry pie is delicious. Okay, in this case the diameter is 8, so we're going to have pi times 8. If you use that on your calculator, you press the pi button, times 8, and that will give you 25.1 centimeter. I've rounded it to 1 decimal place. Okay, or to 3 significant figures. All right, now let's try another example. Okay, in this case, what do we have? Did I hear you say the radius? Good, you're correct. Okay, so circumference equals 2 pi r. Okay, I'm using this formula because I'm given the radius in this example. Okay, and we know that 2 lots of the radius will give you the diameter. The diameter is all the way through, and then radius is half. Okay, all right, let's go. We substitute, so we're going to have 2 times pi, and the radius is 2.1 meters. Okay, so 2.1. Punch that into your calculator, and you will have 13.2 meters. Don't forget the units. Okay, all right, that's example 2. Let's try another example. Okay, so in this case, we're looking for the perimeter of this semicircle. So it's all the way around. Yeah, all the way around the semicircle. Right. So perimeter is half of cherry pie is delicious, so half of that. Okay, plus the diameter. That's a common error. And for students, they'll calculate this circumference here, and then they'll forget the diameter to add on the diameter because we're looking for the perimeter of the semicircle. So that's a distance all the way around the semicircle. Okay, all right. The diameter is 8, so we're going to have pi times 8 divided by 2, and then we add the diameter, which is also 8, because we're looking for the distance around the semicircle. If you punch that into your calculator to 1 decimal place, that'll be 20.6 centimeters. Okay, and that'll give you the distance all around perimeter. Okay, all right, let's try another example. Here we go. Quarter of a circle is called a quadrant. Yeah, a quadrant. Okay, quarter of a circle, but we're looking for the perimeter this time. All right, so I'll represent perimeter with letter P to make it easy. In this case, if you look at this, this is the radius of the circle. So I'm going to use 2 pi r. Quadrant is quarter of a circle, so I divide by 4. Okay, and then I will add the 2 lots of radius. So this is 6 centimeters. This will also be 6 centimeters. Okay, and I'll add the 2 radii. Okay, and that's 2r, the 2 lots of the radius. Now I'll do my substitution. So it's 2 times pi. Don't forget you're pressing the pi button on your calculator, okay? And the radius is 6. I'll divide that by 4 because it's a quadrant, quarter of a circle. And then I will add 2 lots of the radius, okay? So that'll be 2 times 6. Simplify that using your calculator. The answer will be 21.4 centimeters. And I've rounded my answer to 1 decimal place, also 3 significant figures. Okay, now let's try another example. Okay, in this example, we have the circumference and we're looking for the diameter. Okay, let's code the formula. Cherry pie is delicious. That's a good way of remembering it. Cherry pie is delicious. All right. Now, the circumference is 25. So I'll substitute that. So 25 equals pi diameter. Okay. Now I'm looking for the diameter. So I'm going to have diameter equals 25 divided by pi. 25 divided by pi. If you press that into your calculator, so D equals 8.0 centimeters. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. You can ask questions below. I've gone through all the standard GCSE questions. You can use this for GCSE revision. Okay, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.